Hi, my dear phonic learners. Thank you for joining me. I'm Ramani Yeramile. Are you ready to learn the new sound? Yes. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the sound of P. If I say like this, it's my turn. If I say like this, it's your turn. Very good. So, remember, the sound of P is P. Now, let's learn and let's see which words have P sound in the beginning. Do you know what is this? P. Pen. P. Pen. Very good. Which color is this? P. Pink. P. Pink. Superb. What is this called? P. Pan. P. Pan. Let's say these words again. P. Pen. P. Pink. P. Pan. Superb. Now the sound of P is P. Let's learn how to write. This is my magic pen and this is my magic paper. I will write with my magic pen. Now you also take out your magic pen and repeat after me. P. Standing line and take a curve on the top. P. P. Let's write on this. P. P. Very good. Now you know what is the sound of letter P and how to write this. Let's read the words. You just repeat after me. App. App. Ip. 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 Tip. P. At. Pat. P. It. Pit. So, app. App. Ip. Ip. I'm doing it fast. Come on, repeat after me. T. Ip. Tip. P. At. Pat. P. It. Pit. So, what have we learned today? Today we have learned the sound of P. The sound is P. P. You have to practice, okay? Keep practicing. Learn these words. We will meet in the next lesson. Happy learning. Bye-bye.